Hey guys, and welcome back to the Daily Beer. We are now in part 2 of our Father's Day special.
I'm still checking my angle because this is my... Wait, this is my angle, huh?
Okay na.
This is my angle. Oh, okay, wait.
Sorry about the angle, but she's...
No, my hair is a bit curly and flat. Baka they say it's maarte for this one. I'm filming another set and I have work.
Alright.
Anyway, so welcome them again.
Tapos na.
Welcome them again, Dad. Just welcome
Okay,
your
welcome
followers.
back. Welcome back to the Daily Beer, part 2 of our Father's Day special. Right, and now we have lots more food coming in, right?
Yeah. Wait, before we start, di ba you have friends and
Oh yeah,
someone
I say
who-
hi to Archie, JV, and all my Bacolod friends.
You have, that's your followers.
Mark, Gerald.
Oh, that's okay na. Ako kasi I have lots. So, no one naman is asking, but syempre mataas na. Anyway, so, today is a special day.
Favorite ni Kat is the
Finally!
bico.
That's a...
Hot chocolate cake.
That's not bico. This is, from Nibian Pix. Hinanap ko to, guys. This is like searching for the best bico seller in Instagram, and we found her. She's Bisaya also.
Oh, okay.
She's Bisaya also. So this is what
Bico and chocolate cake.
because she also has chocolate cake, but today, of course, for our finale, will feature. Everyone knows me for being obsessed about bico. Okay? So aside from bico, I know
Dessert
you
natin
like
to
that
at
one.
the end of the episode. Okay, because we're gonna ito yung dessert natin. Or you wanna eat it now?
Okay, but okay, you wanna try it na?
Let's try it now?
Okay, let's try it na. See, we're not prepared.
One sec guys.
Wrong. Sorry guys, this one.
Four?
Yeah, that one.
Sabihin mo kasi mo ano.
You get yours too. Yan.
Okay.
Yes, we don't edit and we sometimes kind of fight a lot, but that's just us. Anyway, the star
You got
of
something in
this...
here. Look here. In the camera. Go
Yeah,
now.
I'm looking at it, but I'm also minding.
Alright, let's try this best Bico in Manila.
Okay, so me first. Goodness. You can find her. You will post all the, what do you call this, her details. So
Details.
guys, this is the moment. I waited all week for this one. Look at... Wait, let me first get it.
Right.
Guys, it's solid. Oh my god.
The good news, not that sweet.
It's not that sweet. And look at the inside. Oh my goodness. Look at that, oh.
Different from the other Bicos we've tasted.
Well, this is really different. No wonder Jo was raving about it. Oh my god, it's so good.
It's up to sa what would
No, black
drink would you
coffee.
pair with this black coffee?
Black coffee, of course. Alam nga namang beer with this one. Anyway,
For
guys.
this episode, we'll pair it with beer since this is a beer channel. Okay?
No, you're not gonna pair this with beer.
Why
You're
not?
gonna pair this with beer? Well, that's you, but
It's a beer channel.
it's so
Balikan na pala yung
annoying.
wings. We'll pair the beer with the wings na lang. No?
Okay, so guys, focus on the star, babe. This is the star. This is my moment. I waited all week for this one. So guys, please do check them out.
It is. What's the name?
Nibian Bakes.
Look at the logo.
Okay, I'm good. It's too low in here. Okay, but no, we'll include naman the ano eh.
Oh yeah, okay. Next, can we do the cake? We'll do dessert first. For the
Oo nga
main
eh.
meals. Okay na?
It's so hard to stop with this. Sige, you start na with this one. Sorry,
Alright,
guys.
guys, we'll move now to the chocolate cake. Chocolate cake, ba?
It is chocolate cake, babe.
Slice ko ba? Or derecho?
No, digin na.
Yan na daw, slice. Derecho na, game. Alright guys, so see
I
for
waited
you.
all week for this bico peso, man.
Okay.
Sit down, show them your reaction.
No, because they can see us slicing. Alright, so
So we're enough of this one. You have to try on the other one also.
good.
So what? Okay, my turn, guys. At this one naman is chocolate cake. Pinagmamalaki niya din this one.
So good.
Parang her desserts are not too sweet, no? Parang she knows me already and she knows me too well.
Yung tama lang, no? Tamang timpla lang.
Guys, it's so good also.
I think the kids will love this, no? Kids.
Yeah, hindi ako,
Everybody should
bihira
love
ako maging fan ng may makapal na caramel sometimes.
Oo.
It depends on my mood, but you know, you like to enjoy your, you know, your chocolate cake.
How big is this?
It's big, oh. Here's my face. I can hide from it. It's big. And tama lang siya, I think. For 3 to 4 people, but I can finish this on my own. And I can finish this
Yeah,
on
one
my
more.
own. Okay, so one more, guys.
Oh,
Oh my god, it's so good.
yun na natin dessert, ah. It's okay, it's okay.
No, not really. Oh my god, it's so good. Okay. We don't wanna tease them too much. So, guys, please do order and try them out. Yeah,
Yeah.
this one also. Oh,
Chocolate
Bico
cake.
Heaven!
Chocolate cake, na?
Okay, I like,
Bico.
kasi this is his jam eh. You like chocolate, you
More
like
on-
cakes, more on chocolate cakes ka talaga.
Yeah, more on ganito ako with pag nagkakape. No?
Yeah, but ako this is my jam
Lahat naman
talaga.
Bico.
So this is his and her pick for Father's Day.
Father's Day
Gosh.
dessert favorite cake.
Okay guys, so we'll post everything in the description box and well, this is my
Right.
moment. I'll enjoy this for a while.
Stay tuned for the main meals. Okay guys, and now for our ultimate Father's Day feast, we are finally gonna eat and drink our favorite Corona Extra beer.
He waited for this for almost a week, no?
Yeah.
Kasi talagang he really wanted the best chicken and beer for Father's Day. So this, guys, is from Kusina. Kusina. Where can you find them, guys?
Paranaque, South area, mostly Paranaque, South Alabang. Paranaque, Alabang, Las Piñas.
Las Piñas. So it's Kusina in IG. Kusina with an A. Spell it.
C-U-C-I-N-A.
A. Well, we'll put everything below.
Kusina PH. Alright.
And then, Amy, grabe. This is for my friend Amy. She makes them. This is
This is the buffalo
buffalo wings.
barbecue.
No, buffalo wings.
Buffalo wings.
And then this is
Garlic parmesan.
and the pasta that you've been waiting for.
And the, what do you call this again?
Yo,
Aglio olio. Something, I'm sorry, I don't know how to pronounce it.
we put everything there.
Something, aglio olio.
Shame on you. Anyway, so my friend Amy is very, very confident about her wings. The last we've tried is the regular takeouts, which is like Bonchon, and the other one Capitoli is Frankie's.
Buffalo. Frankie's.
We have a benchmark naman to really for our wings, but the reviews and reviews and what people say about these wings is the one that's for Father's Day talaga.
Okay guys, grab your beers. It's time to dig in. Alright.
Let's excited about this one also because I haven't had this.
So, try this muna. What's it? Flavor barbecue? What's this?
There is no barbecue.
What kind of flavor?
Buffalo and garlic. You ordered that and friends, nakakalimutan niya na yung order niya because he's so excited. That's how he is when he gets so excited. Let's try the buffalo.
Best, pair ng beer. For me, but I don't know for you guys.
No, because you really like chicken and beer.
Yeah, it's a really good pair. So,
you don't even watch Korean, and in Korea kasi it's always chicken and beer.
Oh yeah. Really good. My dog even wants. You want some?
No.
I can't have some. Sorry.
Okay, so I'm jealous na. I'm jealous na. Let's try the buffalo first. Oh my. No wonder she's so confident about this.
Good.
Oh! Oh my. First bite is really something. Oh my god, that's good. Oh god. Amy, let's eat this one. I'll eat this with rice. Okay, Amy.
Hey guys, if you actually this is best good with anything, rice.
Oh my god, that's good.
Eat it alone with beer should be okay too. But
I'd have this with rice. Okay, Ham and Green here are going crazy. Okay, that's so good.
Yeah.
That was
buffalo. The buffalo wings.
Okay, you again
Now
try
go
the
for
first one.
what's this? The parmesan, garlic
Garlic
parmesan.
parmesan.
So excited ako dito. The taste.
I like this. It's a bit spicy, but tama lang yung
Tama
kick
lang.
niya ng spicy. Bean. See, our dogs can smell it eh.
Try this one. It's great.
I'll try the bigger part. Oh my god. Oh, that's good.
How do you like it?
Oh my god, it's really good.
Lovely pair from beer.
It's not like overly oily na like dripping in oiliness, and the flavor is really there. Oh my god.
Crunchy din siya, no? Crunchy.
Hindi na kami nakasalita. You see guys, grabe yung amoy niya. The dogs can like really smell how good it is.
Okay.
Ibang klase to.
For Father's Day,
Which one do you like better?
I like this garlic parmesan. So.
I like this, but just there's like a bit tamis and a konting
Like
spice ng this
spicy.
one. I think this is more me, but ang hirap. Oh wow. It's so good. Amy, you're not kidding. No wonder you were so confident and were bragging about this one.
People from the south, they urge you to get your hands on this right now.
People in the Pasig also because it's so good
Pasig, everywhere.
I don't think they have this kind of things in the Pasig area.
So I think weekend deliveries only, right?
Yeah, I forgot.
Weekend deliveries only because
They're
weekdays are
full.
full.
That's why hindi kami naka-order ng weekend because sakto naman it's Father's Day but they're full ng weekdays, diba?
I think you mentioned that this was made from scratch. Prepared just right.
Yeah, she doesn't use commercial wings or whatever. They only make it
Before the delivery. So
prior to
order,
delivery. So
prior
when
to
you
delivery.
book,
I think
that's when they make it lang.
Yeah, freshly made.
And you can tell because it's not like the big ass commercial wings.
Oo nga.
It's really good.
It's the best.
Yeah, when
You
it's
can't
so
stop
good.
it. You can't stop eating.
When it's so good, natatahimik tayo.
You can't stop eating. Parang tuloy-tuloy siya, no?
When it's that good
If you're drinking beer with this, I suggest don't eat rice. Huwag ka na mag-sugar guys.
I'm gonna ulam this guys.
Kasi, it's parang parang savor mo talaga siya, no?
The thing is,
savor it really goes together with beer.
it's the addicting kind ng wing.
Maganda talaga siya na pair with beer, so
Wala masyadong sweet. Ito, sobrang konting sweetness lang ng this one, but this one is really garlic. The kids would love this one.
Yeah,
I swear.
my daughter would love the Parmesan one.
Okay guys, we have to move on. Look at your timer.
Let's
try
we'll
the
move on to the
pasta.
aglio olio. Aglio olio, right?
Aglio.
Aglio olio, sorry guys.
Get tissue, babe. And okay, time to. She's also confident and people who ordered na also are raving about the pasta. Oh my God.
Alright, it's pasta time.
Where did you get that?
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
Give that.
Since kami lang naman. No, you can.
Alright.
Since kami lang naman, guys, it's big Guys, when we say big, it's really big. Because malaki yung standards namin when you say big.
Parang siyang sulit, not sulit pack.
When you say big, because malalaki talaga kaming tao, I'm like around 5'9", although maliliit yung payat ako, he's big. And look at him. Look at this. And also kasi with Charlie, he doesn't order, he doesn't like anything na pang family platter yung jamuda, diba? Ayaw niya guys ng maliliit na serving. Feeling niya as in nalugit talaga siya.
Oh, look at that.
This one, you can finish this, diba? You can
Hindi
just,
naman.
of course you can finish it.
Say, half ko ng lunch, dinner.
You can finish it.
Alright,
Knowing
sorry.
you. Okay, so you first.
Ano siya, may mushroom. Has mushroom and cheese, garlic. Not that garlic.
That's garlic lang there. I know
Okay.
there's like a garlic pasta.
And with mushroom.
Love it. He's really enjoying it. He waited for this Father's Day, ano niya to
Basta hindi siya oily. Hindi siya oily ng
So garlicky. And
So,
oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah. This is really good. Ang sarap ng texture ng pasta. This is like a feast on its own. 2 wings and this one. Guys, that's why we're sharing this to you because mahirap talagang dining experience now, di ba? It's hard to order food na madidismaya ka because you can't dine in na nga, di ba? So might as well, that's why we started exploring mga delivery service that we can share to you na hindi naman masayang their pera. Because, times like this,
eat from home na lang.
yeah,
Safer
locally, safer from home, and then we get to support our other businesses, and then to save you the hassle from like experimenting and ordering sa iba-iba. This one is so good.
It's still dangerous to go out there.
Yeah, wala pa kasi
Stay
talaga
home.
Kahit may mga dining ako, I don't feel safe dining out. So this is the most you can really do with the family. Very good.
Diba? Try another one. This pasta.
Not really good. Hindi ako makapasta Bihira lang kasi I'm more of the rice talaga, diba? Kaya mapili ako sa pasta. Kasi bihira lang ako magpasta, but mataas yung standards ko sa pasta dahil it has to be like the texture. Sobrang picky ko sa texture, diba? This one talaga, winner.
Yeah.
Guys, check them out.
I give this all a 10.
Oh, more than 10 because I haven't had anything like this for so long. Mostly home cooked kami, and then that's why when we pa-deliver and we order, it has to be like best of the best because syempre we waited for this
Yeah.
And then weekend siya, and then occasion pa.
We
So,
didn't really eat anything. Literally, we just had, coffee lang tayo nung, di ba, nagkape lang tayo at we really waited for this food to come. Why would we say
as a matter of fact, all week mo siya inatay. All week kasi Amy was full on the weekend.
Tsaka first meal of the day ko to I haven't eaten anything. At saka yung pala kanina.
No, you haven't.
No, we ate the chocolate cake tsaka yung bico.
Not meal.
Meal, sorry.
Okay, my gosh.
Alright, so hope guys you enjoy
Okay, let's show
drinks
them,
and beer.
before we wrap this up, let's show it to them closer. Yeah.
Sure. Alright, so you got the, what's that again?
Buffalo.
Buffalo.
It's really big, guys. Look at our hands, ah. Big ass serving.
Garlic parmesan.
Garlic parmesan. And a big tray of
Olio.
garlic pasta. So, Kusina and my dear Amy, congratulations on this one. Finally, naka-order din sa'yo, di ba? So, worth a try.
Yeah.
Any occasion,
Definitely worth.
wings and pasta creping. It's really good. Nawalan kami ng sasabihan. So far mga nireview natin is sinuwerte tayo na everything was 10 out of 10.
Everything was, yeah, that's the best.
Kasi masarap naman talaga, di ba? How can you can't cheat a reaction eh. Masarap siya. So, sinuwerte kami sa na-orderan namin since yesterday na masarap talaga siya. So,
Sobrang sulit guys, get your hands on this right now.
okay, so, wrap it up then.
Alright, so thank you again for joining us on The Daily Beer.
And thank you for guesting me.
Oh, thank you, my guest, my beautiful wife, Body by Mama Cat.
So, cheers. This is my...
Happy Father's Day, everyone.
Happy Father's Day, all that.
Cheers.
Happy Father's Day, all that. Bye!